Schedule 1 talks about transactions to be treated as supply even if made without consideration. So Schedule 1 says there are transactions which even if it does not have consideration, it will be treated as supply. In today's class, we will be talking about one such transaction, that is transaction between principal and agent. Before understanding this transaction, let us understand what do you exactly mean by principal and agent. To understand this, let us take an example. Say I am a businessman and I am based in Mumbai. So I am a businessman from Mumbai and I want to sell Ferrari cars in Mumbai. So I want to sell Ferrari cars in Mumbai. So what will I do? I will go to the manufacturer of Ferrari cars who is in Delhi. So where am I? I am in Mumbai. Where is the manufacturer? He is in Delhi. I'll go to him and I'll say him that give me your agency. Give me the agency to sell Ferrari cars in Maharashtra. Now the first question comes, am I his employee? Is he my employer? The answer is no. He is not my employer and I am not his employee. I am a separate businessman. He is a separate businessman. What am I agreeing for? I am agreeing that I will sell his car. I will sell his car in Mumbai. So here he is the principal who is supplying goods and I am the agent who is receiving the goods and selling it to the public. I hope the example of principal and agent is clear to you. Now let us see the GST treatment for the transaction between principal and agent. So I am an agent in Mumbai and there is a manufacturer who is the principal, right? So what principal is doing? He is manufacturing Ferrari cars. Now principal supplied Ferrari cars from Delhi to Mumbai. Now what did principal do? My principal who is in Delhi, he supplied Ferrari car from Delhi to Mumbai. Now am I paying something in return? Am I paying something in return? Say the Ferrari cost 2 crore rupees. I don't have 2 crore so that I can pay my principal. What will I tell him? I will pay once I make the sale of it. So once I sell the Ferrari car, whatever the consideration I get, I will keep certain portion as my commission. Balance I will send it to him. That is to say that at the time of initial transfer, at the time of initial supply, there was no consideration. When he first transferred this Ferrari car from Delhi to Mumbai, I did not pay him any consideration. But GST says even if there is no consideration, between principal and agent, it will be treated as supply. So what will be treated as supply? The transaction between principal and agent, even if made without consideration, will be treated as supply. Let us say that my principal supplied this Ferrari car on December 31st. So when he supplying on December 31st to the agent, that is to me. Am I paying something in return? No. But this car value is rupees 2 crore. Now say tax rate is 28% on this. So even if I am not paying even a single rupee to him, he need to pay 28% on 2 crore, that is 56 lakh to the government. I repeat the example, even if I am not paying anything on December 31st to him, he need to pay GST on that entire 2 crore rupees. To repeat the entire example, if principal is making a supply to the agent, even if there is no consideration, there is GST. Till now, we were talking about transaction made by principal to agent for which there was no consideration. We said even if there is no consideration, it will be treated as supply and there is GST on that. Now let us look at the other point. It says, what if agent is supplying to the principal? What if agent is supplying to the principal for which he is not charging a consideration at all? Let us take a simple example to understand this. Say the manufacturer is in Delhi, the Ferrari manufacturer is in Delhi and he wanted some tires, MRF tires. And the showroom of MRF tire, the manufacturer of MRF tire is in Mumbai. My principal said, you are an agent in Mumbai, you receive that tire on behalf of us. You receive those tires on behalf of us and then supply it to us. So what is my job now? To collect that tire from MRF showroom and then supply it to my principal. Now, when I am supplying it to my principal, I am just supplying it. I just collect it and I am supplying it. Will I charge money? I won't charge money for my principal. The GST says even if an agent is supplying to principal, there is GST on that. I repeat the entire example again. I am an agent and I received tires on behalf of my principal. I received tires on behalf of my principal and I am supplying again to my principal. So when I am supplying to my principal, there is no consideration in this transaction. There is no consideration between me and my principal. Even though there is no consideration, it will be treated as supply and I have to pay GST on that.